In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT for ad copy, 4 Google Ads and Facebook Ads copywriting prompts. We'll turn simple prompts into production-ready ads across search, social, retargeting, and short video. As you follow along, just swap in your own product, audience, and keywords, and keep an eye on the character and time limits so everything fits perfectly in the platforms. First up, Google search ads for high-intent buyers. Ask ChatGPT to act as a PPC copywriter and generate 10 headlines capped at 30 characters and 4 descriptions capped at 90 characters for your product or service. Provide a list of high-intent keywords your ideal buyers actually search for, and tell it to highlight benefits, urgency, and a strong call to action. This works because it aligns directly with what people are already looking for, and the tight limits force clear, punchy copy that improves click-through rate and quality score. Pro tip: give ChatGPT your top value props and any must-include terms, then double-check character counts to avoid truncation. Next, Facebook and Instagram conversion ads. Prompt ChatGPT to write 5 ad copies for your product with a strong hook in the first line, emotional triggers, social proof, and a clear call to action. Specify your target audience so the tone and references match their interests, and ask for concise, scroll-stopping lines. This format thrives in feed environments where pattern interruption, fast benefit framing, and credibility cues win attention. Keep that first sentence irresistible and make your CTA obvious and outcome-focused. For warm audiences, use a retargeting prompt. Have ChatGPT create 5 ad copies for users who visited your product page but didn't purchase. Direct it to address common objections like price, trust, or shipping. Add urgency, and include an incentive such as a limited-time discount or free shipping. Keep the tone persuasive but friendly. This works because it tackles friction points head-on while leveraging familiarity, which lifts conversion rates. Ask for variations that speak to different hesitations so you can match messages to user behavior. Finally, short-form video scripts for TikTok or YouTube. Request a 20 to 30-second script that starts with a bold hook in the first 3 seconds, moves into a quick problem-solution story, spotlights the key benefits, and ends with a strong call to action. This approach prioritizes the opening hook and tight storytelling, maximizing retention and conversions on fast-moving platforms. Bottom line, constrain your outputs with character limits, duration, and audience to get assets you can ship today, and pair every batch with A/B testing to systematically improve click-through rate and conversion. Iterate on the winners, refine your prompts with what worked, and you'll scale smarter with every campaign.